watching to Pharma Lessons, and this is Kimia. Today, I want to talk about good laboratory practices or GLP. Now, before you think it's all about lab coats or microscopes, stick around because I want to uncover why GLP is so important to ensuring the integrity of the scientific studies. Well, in early 1970s, FDA became aware of cases of poor quality practices all over the United States, including fraudulent activities, poor quality practices, inadequate planning, insufficient documentation of methods and results, or even sources of errors and lots of frauds. So, as a result, they established a set of regulations to provide a framework for conducting well-controlled studies. If you remember different stages in a drug development process, the first one was discovery, second, non-clinical stage, third, the clinical stage, and the last one, post-approval and marketing processes. Now, the position of GLP is only and only specific to the second stage, that was the non-clinical stages, and their aim is to ensure the safety of our investigational drug. So, as a result, all the clinical processes, even the bioanalysis of the samples of the clinical trials, they are not in line with our GLP scope. GLP is defined as a quality system under which non-clinical health studies and also environmental safety studies are planned, are performed, monitored, recorded, archived, and then reported. All these stages are there to improve the operational management of our study and to ensure that our study will be reconstructible in the future. Listen to this one. GLP is not directly concerned with the scientific design of our study. That is only judged by regulatory authorities. However, being in line with GLP in order to have proper planning, in order to faithfully document all the observations and to archive all the raw data will help us to eliminate the sources of errors. So, what is the result? Yes, you're right. Our data will be reliable, credible, and also reproducible. Let's imagine a pharmaceutical company is developing a new drug. By strictly applying to GLP, they have to make sure that every step of their research is documented, all the personnel in their team is well trained, and also all their equipment are calibrated. The significance of GLP lies in the credibility and reproducibility of our research finding. That is not to only satisfy the regulatory authorities, but to ensure that our drug that we're developing is safe and efficacious. That is to ensure that all our study findings are of highest quality. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the world of pharmacy.